Let f of x equals x squared minus 4. For x is greater than 0, find the f inverse of 12. All right? So first things first. I want a little graph so I can see what's going on here. I want a little graph so I can see what's going on here. X squared minus 4 is going to look a little something like that one graph. Let me scoot you over so you look a little bit better. I don't know. It's going to be pretty ugly either way. Inverses reflect over the y equals x axis, as you can tell by that perfectly straight line. Now, speaking of perfectly straight line, let's get rid of the stuff that we don't care about. Okay, I only care about the positive values and 0. So let's get rid of these negative values like so, which means I can get rid of that janky looking red line that I started out. Now, when I rotate this over the y equals x axis, it's now going to look a little something like this. So I'm going to keep that in mind when I find my inverse, because there's something that I'm going to purposely skip, even though your teacher would scream at you for even thinking about skipping it. Now, I want to find the inverse, right? So step number 1 is I don't like that f of x, make it a y. Y equals x squared minus 4. Now swap x and y. So x equals y squared minus 4, and solve for the new y. Add 4 to both sides, like so, cross you out. X plus 4 equals y squared. And then you're going to square root both sides. Now, normally when I square root both sides to solve, I attach a positive or a negative. But since I only care about the positive x values, I'm only going to care about the positive y values too. So I'm not going to attach the positive or negative. I'm just going to assume positivity only. And that's what we're all about, am I right? So the square root of x plus 4 is going to equal y. Now that I have y all by itself, right, I can turn it back into its original form and call it the inverse. So the f inverse of x is going to equal the positive only square root of x plus 4. Now what I care about is the f inverse of 12. So I'm going to do the square root of 12 plus 4, which is the square root of 16, which is 4. Tricky, 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 tricky.